Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be showing you all how to make your own CAMI top from an old t-shirt. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So now I will be cutting my t-shirt into two parts. If you see it clearly, there is a button area and I will be cutting my t-shirt just below the button area. So we have cut out the main part of our CAMI top from the t-shirt. Now for the strings, I will be using the second part of the t-shirt and cutting out cloth from the second part of the remaining t-shirt. So as I've cut out this part from the remaining part of the t-shirt, I will be using this part to make strings and I will be attaching them to our main CAMI top. With the help of the sewing machine and my mom, I made strings that we will be attaching to our main CAMI top. We will also be sewing edges of the CAMI that we cut out in the very beginning just to give it a finishing touch. As you can see, I have sewed the edges of the CAMI top with a white thread. This just gives it a more finishing touch. I also have my strings ready. Now we just need to attach these strings to the CAMI top after taking measurements. There you go, you have your CAMI ready to flaunt this summer. You can either style it with formals, you can wear it with your skirt, or wear it with your shorts. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media.